things my dad taught me was that if you want to keep moving forward, you can never lose sight of where you've been. This is Sandy Shoemate, and at Shoemate Heating and Air, we are constantly looking to do our jobs better, which means finding new ways to delight our customers, employees, and families. This has worked out pretty well. Shoemate is growing, and now we need more people that think like us. If you're looking for a career that is more than a paycheck, more than just a job, for more than just the busy season, then give us a call. You might be the next member of the Shoemate family.